Hello everyone, welcome back to Beastform. I know it's been a while since I've recorded, but I'm now back, and I'm ready to do some interesting stuff. So, it has honestly been a very long time since I've recorded a Beastform video, but I'm excited to get back and show you how it goes. So, obviously, it has been a while since I played, and last time I had a full level 10 hive, and now I have full level 12. And today, I am planning, and mostly hoping, that I can get a full level 13 hive, 2 more gifted bees, and the Spring Star Amulet. So, hopefully that goes to plan. So, first we need to, really just get some star treats and gingerbread bears. So, hello werewolf. As we currently have 847 tickets, decent amount. And we also have 42 but we need to have way more than that if we want either a star treat or a reasonable chance of actually getting a gift. So, I know. So I did recently download a macro, so I'm now using a lot of money a day, which is great, by the way. So I need to get more money than I was hoping to be. But now we got all our stuff that we need. That's over double the original cost. So that's pretty cool. Alright. Now I have all the tickets I need to use to be able to buy a star treat. So, woo! That's awesome. God, it's so expensive when you buy one of those. But yeah. So, as I mentioned, we need to this one. I currently have 38 out of 40 gifted bees to be able to get the Spring Star Amulet, which I've been told costs 10 billion. Alright, but also, so now I need to use the star treat and gift one of these. Brings it. Let's go. That's pretty cool. So now the next bee we're gonna gift is good old Cobalt. So after we collect our gingerbread bears, so we now have 99, and we are going to cross our fingers that we can get a gifted Cobalt. So come on. No! 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 Dang it! Oh, so close. No. Oh my god, that is such a waste of gingerbread bears. No. No! Ah, dang it. Alright, well, we can still get the full gifted hive, so it's fine. Dang, that hurts. Okay. Well, still, we can open the shop. We can buy a lot of treats. So that is billion. 14 million. Alright. So now that we have all the treats, let's go ahead and level up all our bees to level 13. And while I'm doing this, I'll talk to you about how everything's going on. So, as you all know, it's been around a year since I've recorded, which, to be honest, it's a solid break. Since making YouTube videos pretty often is pretty stressful. But it's still pretty fun to come back and all that. But anyway, so right now all I'm doing is getting them all level 13, and also something that most of you probably don't know is I now have a new computer, which runs way better than my last one, so I can actually run this on like full specs without it just straight up dying, which is great. So yeah. So basically, like, all I've been doing is mostly just grinding, AF gang, and killed Snumpsnell a couple of times. So, like, Beastform has been really fun, and I have been really enjoying it overall, and be sure I just recently got to... Ooh, wow, I am 5 billion away from half a trillion total. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, mostly just having a fun time, just getting back into the game, and I do honestly plan to record more videos in the future, which should be pretty fun. But yeah, so that's pretty much the whole recap, and now that I'm around halfway done with gifting all these guys, this is going pretty well. So, you know, I've always like watched these videos and all that about people who just give like full level 20 hives in like the test realm. And I am so glad that on it, like in the test realm, finally added the ability for people to, you know, well, I guess, like the ability for people to make all their bees level 20, like instantaneously. So that's pretty awesome that he did that. Also, I seem to be running out of treats. Wait, no, never mind. That I had 600 left. No, I do not. Wait. So yeah, I'm mostly just trying to go ahead and get at least level 13, and then I will come back probably next week and finally actually get Supreme Star Amulet, which sucks I didn't get it, but it's fine. Maybe I'll be able to risk my luck and try to get a gifted ninja with all my, with 3,000 blueberries. So, yeah. But it looks like I am almost done getting them all up to level 13. It's pretty cool. So once I get this done, I will try gifting some of my bees and other bees. But I'll also use the rest of my treats to get some more little maybe 14s. Who knows? Alright, so that is all level 13, I believe. Yep, so let's get our more important bees to level 14. So that can be level 14. Gummy obviously needs to be 14. We gotta get Photon. Then, what's our last one? Tabby or Vicious? I really know, because like, and you know what? We all love Tabby. Gotta go Tabby. Woo! Yeah, Tabby should be really close. Oh, yep, super close. So, now I need to try to give some of my bees after really crying. Nope, yep, that is a different one. So, what, like, sunflower seeds that I haven't gifted yet? It's like, at this point, I don't even know what I haven't gifted. So I have... pretty sure I've gotten a gifted bomber at one point. Well, those probably... yeah. I got me gifted shocked. I don't even know at this point. Like, there's just so much stuff going on. So I got all those. Oh, have I got any gifted music? Wait, maybe that's what I can get. Alright, so music is colorless. And you get probably like pineapple, I believe. Okay, let me check. Where is that music be? Oh, there it is. Nope. So then it's sunflower. No, you're not. What? Wait a second. Is white different than colorless? Am I dumb? What trait do you like? It's like, I always thought music either really like pineapple, but blueberries, which I guess at least are That's weird. Well, now that I can't really do anything more because I just wasted 99 gingerbread bears, which literally sucks so bad. But it's fine, since I can probably use the snowflakes that I built up and eventually buy the good old Dark Tree. but I guess I will be back one day and actually